Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering how can you make your Paysera account more secure, you're in the right place because today in this video I'll show you exactly how, so let's jump right into it. Now since we're going to be using the app, go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store and make sure we have the application updated for everything to run smoothly in this process. After that, of course, you open the application. You have to be logged into your account and wait for it to load up. Now from here, tap on the gear icon that should be in the top left corner right here. And from this menu that pops up from the left side of the screen, tap on Privacy and Security. And here are the options that we can use to make our account more secure. Let's start by changing the account password. So if you think that somebody has your password, it is always better to clear the doubt and make a new password that only you knows, to prevent anybody from having access to your account. Now the second option is turning on the privacy mode. Enabling this privacy mode will hide the amount of money that you have on the app. So basically, if you're using the app and somebody is standing in front of you, they won't be able to see how much money you have, which increases your privacy and security as well. Now right under it, you can change your PIN lock if you think that somebody knows that as well. And now let's turn on the biometric authentication, which makes it impossible for anybody to open the app without your fingerprint, just like that. And as a last step, let's go ahead and enable authentication when making transfers. This grants extra security for your account while you are transferring money. And that is, guys, basically how can you make your Paysera account more secure. And that is it for this video. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.